My voice is clear, right? Okay. So in today demo class, I would like to talk about this different topics. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself, and I would like to talk about achievements, accolades, and my success record, and what is the main aim and motto of the training. So how the performance testing will be in the demand in the market, and also like how the compensation and what is the course content and what are the tools I'm going to cover and what are the activities that are there in the training. So all the things I'm going to cover as a part of the training. So I'm a BTech graduate. So I'm a gold medalist with 12 years of IT experience, and I have worked on both service based as well as product based organizations. So I have also currently working with one of the product based organization, and I have worked on various different type of domains like banking domain, e-commerce domain, e-learning, and also Salesforce applications. Like this, I have worked on various different type of domains, and also I'm proficient in performance testing and engineering with the different tools. Like we have different type of tools that are there in the market. So JMeter, Load Runner, Neoload, and another tool was VSTS. So these are the different type of tools I have worked recently, and also I have well versed with end-to-end performance testing life cycle. So as you are new to performance testing, these all the terminologies new to you, but still I would like to share few things. Like I have also worked on various protocols, so like web http html, flex, true client web services, jdbc, ftp, dns, ldap, and also like message queues, different kind of various protocols I worked on, and various tools like log monitoring tools or analysis tools like Splunk, while Introscope, AWR reports, and Performance Monitor. These are the tools I am already having a good knowledge, and also I'm good at implementing the own utilities like Java and VB script. I have used and I have implemented the different type of utilities. So, and also I'm having good experience on like complicated script. I will convert it into easy way, and I will also show you very easier way to understand how the students perspective. And also like I'm having very patient team player as a proactive member while troubleshooting the any issue, resolving, and as this part of training, so I have also cover like performance tuning like thread dumps, heap dumps, garbage collections, memory leaks, at which situation these things will happen, what are the tools we are going to use. So all these things I am expertise on. So this is about myself. So I have and also coming to my achievements. So I have secured a first place in academics in college days. As I said, I'm a gold medalist. So I have received a gold medal from our honorable minister Sabita Indra Reddy garu, and also I have received various work excellence awards as well as hardworking awards. So apart from that, I have received prize money at the same time, silver medals while implementing the own utility. So our previous organizations still using those utilities. So this is our success record with my training. So I have added only list of few candidates. These are the old candidates, but still I need to mention few more new candidates from recent batches. In this recession situation also, lot of people are placed in top MNCs, it includes permanent work from home. So I have provided interview guidance and training. So with my interview guidance and training, lot of people are placed in various organizations. Almost every batch is having 10 to 15 people. So out of 10 to 15 people, almost 7 to 8 people are placed without any interview support and work support. So this is how my training will be, and it includes complete real time project. That is the main thing, and main other trainings and my training is a difference with this real time project. So my target is like who are really attended this training. So the main prerequisites are like anyone who are completed BTech, MCA, MSc Computers, BCA, and also any full-time degree, they can easily involve to learn this course. And any recent year passed outs, any career gaps or any manual ETL test engineers, they can also uh, really participate this training. And BPO who is currently working on BPO, and also non-IT employees who can also want to pursue their career on IT, they also easily attend these trainings. So the main thing was like uh, there is not mandatory to learn this any C, Java or Python. As part of training, I'm going to give you the basic knowledge of this SQL, C, C++, or Java, any one of the tool. So no worry, this is not the mandatory to learn everyone. So this thing I will always cover in the class. And I will also show you the demo scripts. At the same time, I will also show you the real-time project. So I will also provide you the practical knowledge as well. So practical sessions will be there. Interview guidance will be there as part of this training. Mock interviews also will be conducted, and we will have a placement assurance. So with my training, who will follow classes every day and who will able to like attend this mock interviews after the training, who is clear the mock interviews, I will give you 100% assurity. I will provide you placements directly. And also, I will help you to prepare the resumes, upload the resumes in the various job portals. And also, I will provide you like how what are the calls you will get, and if you prepare or if you upload the way of resume, so based on the resume and based on your content providing in the job portals, how you will get more calls, I will make it to achieve. So this is my main aim and motto. The course duration, if you take two tools together like LoadRunner and JMeter, if you take two tools together, so definitely you can complete the entire course on 65 to 70 days. So if you take only one tool, it will took almost 35 to 40 days. So JMeter is more days than LoadRunner. So my suggestion was we'll go the tools one by one. First, we'll go with one JMeter tool. After that, we'll go with load runner tool. This is my main aim and motto. Coming to remuneration in the market. So service-based organizations, few companies I have listed here. So for freshers, it will took like 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. So for 3+ years in service-based, you can earn up to 10 to 12 LPA. So nowadays, this is how the demand in the market. Coming to product-based like ADP, Thomson, ServiceNow, JP Morgan. These are all the different product-based organizations. So in this product-based, the freshers you can earn like 4 to 5 LPA, and 3+ years up to you can earn 10 to 14 LPA. So this bad situation, like now recession is going on in the market, right? So in this recession time also, with my training, with my classes, almost 50% people are placing in the organizations. They're happily working without any issues, without any work support mainly. So I can give you this guarantee. In this recession time also, from Naukari, based on my resume preparation, based on my details that are helping to upload in the job portals, getting more calls than others. So that is the speciality in our training. So let me show you the course content. Almost the course content will be very detailed from very basic level to advanced level. So this is how the course content of JMeter. I will start with very basics because lot of people are joining without knowing any computer knowledge. So I would like to give some computer knowledge as well. So what are the basics of computer and what are the keywords that shortcuts we are going to use? So how to delete any browser history or system history? So what is the SDLC? What is the STLC? So from very basics, what is the actually what is the testing? How many types we have? What is the use of that? So I will also compare with manual automation and performance. What is the comparison of each test? So all these things I would like to cover here. Okay. So, and I will also show you the basics of performance testing, why we need to do it. And coming to module one, this will covered especially in our institute, like POC, SOW, NFR. All these documents are very important in performance testing. So nowadays in interviews, they are asking everything real time. So that is the reason I especially mentioned in the module wise. So in the module one, I am going to cover all these type of documents with real time explanation. And module two, I will also help you providing softwares. I will also tell you how to install it and how we have to use it, how it will work, everything like A to Z. I can say in single word, it's like a spoon feeding. So all these terms, whatever I have mentioned, I'm going to cover in the day-to-day classes. So you can check all these topics day-wise. And here I have mentioned almost 50 days for JMeter. But don't worry. So 53 days I have mentioned, but I will try to complete as here mentioned, every day the topic will sometimes it will be more than expected, sometimes will be it will be less than expected. So every topic I am going to cover. Okay. So this is about course content. So I have also shared in groups. I hope everyone received it. So if anyone really not received this, I will again share it with you so that you can also see the detailed content. And if you feel anything I missed it, if you feel anything I need to include it, please let me know. I will include. I will always here to help you. And I would like to tell you which tools to be learned based on the experience. So everyone will have this doubt, right? So I would like to include this point as well. For freshers, any one tool will be fine, like JMeter or LoadRunner. If you are having like 2 years of experience, if you want to keep it, then one tool is enough, like JMeter. Nowadays, compared to LoadRunner, JMeter is having high demand in the market. So 95% of the organizations are focusing more on JMeter tool itself. Coming to 3 years or 3+ years experience you would like to keep, better you can learn both tools like JMeter and LoadRunner, but try to focus more on one tool. So if you are flexible with one tool, if you're perfect, then you can move to the next tool. And with this tool, you have to add any APM tool. So I will cover this APM tool in our class as well. So other trainings and my training, some features will be exclusively different. So I will show you the complete real-time project. One of my office project I would like to show you as part of this training. And also I will show you like demo applications. We'll go with basics, right? So first we'll start with easier one, then we'll go with complicated one. And also I will give you a practice, mainly challenges. So different type of challenges, and first 10 minutes in the class will be like doubts, question and answers. And once the class will be completed, if you have any questions, you can also ask in the class. And as I am saying, first few days will be like theory part, but don't feel bored. Without learning basics, you cannot understand the actual things, right? So my suggestion was, please take sportive and learn basics, so that if you come advanced classes, it will be easy for you only. So daily class timing will be 1 hour, and I will also share you the interview questions, and I will also give you a guidance, scripting with simplified manner instead of complicated. So other few terminologies that are mentioned in the right side is completely new to you, but all the topics, all the type of protocols listed here, and also like bean shell scripting, everything will be covered as part of training. So mainly results identification, bottlenecks, all these things will be as part of training. So before going to start this, so my training activities summary will be like this. So we have an online and offline trainings. Who are interested for offline, just you need to let me know, so that we'll segregate it how the offline will be. So Monday to Saturday I'm going to take classes. If you have any doubts, sessions is required. If you need any practical sessions, whenever required, I will ask in the class, so that we can decide when we will keep a doubt session, especially. And practical sessions will be conducted. So I will give you tasks. So you have to just complete the task and submit it. Okay. And also resume preparation, uploading resumes, as I said, that will be as part of course. Interview guidance will be there, and mock interviews will be conducted, not by every module. Once the complete training will be completed, the mock interviews I will conduct. Whoever success in the mock interviews, I will place you in organization. Okay. So these are the list of tools I'm going to cover as part of training. So if this meeting will ends, please rejoin again. So from tomorrow, I will upgrade it so that it won't make you the disturbance. So please rejoin if this meeting will ends. So these are the listed tools I'm going to cover, and I will also show you practically how the JMeter scripts looks like, how the report looks like, so that it was easy to you. So let me show you any one script, how the JMeter and JMeter script look like. So JMeter script is in the form of .jmx file. So this is how the JMeter tool is opening. So this is the JMeter tools look like. Just a second. I would like to copy all the numbers. Okay, so if I expanded this, so this is how the JMeter script look like. JMeter script means, in one word, whatever the actions we are performing in the internet. For example, so I'm taking Flipkart as an application. Okay. So first I clicked on home. Okay. After I click on home, I would like to search any product. For example, mobile I'm searching, right? So these actions, whatever I am doing, the actions, click on home, search mobile. So click on mobile, or else we are clicking on notify me. So allow some whatever the actions we are trying to clicking on, performing on, all the actions that will be recorded in the form of JMeter script. In the JMeter, those actions, group of actions, we can call it as a script. Okay. This is how the JMeter script looks like, each and every step. Okay, so all these things I will going to show you practically. But for now, I would like to show you how the JMeter script looks like. We can call this as a navigation steps. Okay. So once we prepare the script like this, we will run the test. Why we have to run the test? What is test? Test in the sense, see, if you can take same Flipkart application, okay. So during the time of sale, any new mobile launching or any new mobile sale, how the situation will be. Lot of people is trying to buy that mobile, right? At the time you can also observe some page not found, or some server not found, some messages, right? So why you will get that messages? Why? Because load, due to load. So normally, normal times no one will click or buy that mobile. During the time of sale, lot of people are trying to buy that mobile, right? So at that situation, what will happens? Maybe the application will break down, or the application speed was not good, the performance was not good, right? We can call that as a performance testing. Okay. So by using this performance testing, we will try to um, use this JMeter tool, and we will try to tell the customer like the how many users can use it. Okay. So that is called performance testing. So by using these performance testing, we will try to design the scenarios and our results, how our results looks like. Let me show you. So the way we are designing is called as performance testing. So first, whatever I showed you after opening the JMeter, we can call this as a script. Okay. So once we run the script, okay, so we can see the results. This is how the results looks like. Okay. So first of all, we need to create the script and we need to run the test. After running the test, we can see the output. Means how many users are before application is going to live. Actual users are before using the application. We will do the performance test and we can decide, okay, these many users. Here if you see samples, right? So this application will be used by 10 users or 100 users. So it will be get good results. This is how the results will be. The main aim will be of the performance testing will be, we need to create the script, we need to design the scenario, and we need to run. We will get this type of report. So this is how the performance testing will be, the results will be. So I hope you got some clarity how the performance testing, what is the script, what is the test, how the results will be. This is how the results. We need to share this report to the client. Okay, in coming classes, I would like to show you more and more detail how to prepare the script, how to run the test, and how to see the results. These are the things we are going to see in coming classes with more detail. Okay, so I hope you understand what is JMeter, how to use it, and apart from that, we are having lot of tools. This is the load runner tool. So these are the three components of load runner tool. Also, I will show you. For API testing, we will use Postman tool. So this is how the Postman tool will looks like. It will take a little bit some time because each tool will take some time to open. So this is how the API testing API will be. So I will also cover this as part of training. Like this, we will have lot of tools that I have listed already in this. So all these tools I'm going to cover, even thread dumps, heap dumps, MySQL, everything. I will help you the installation as well in your systems, and I will also show you how to use this. Even Fiddler, Bad Boy, BlazeMeter, F12, HTTP Watch, Git, Jenkins, and also like PC, Performance Center if you learn Load Runner, and also like Grafana, Perfmon, Dynatrace, Prometheus, all these things I will show you as part of training. So no need to worry. This is about complete demo session for today. So you can start asking your doubts and questions. If you have any doubts and questions, you can feel free to ask me now.
What about new load and BlazeMeter?
BlazeMeter I'm going to cover as part of training, like not entire the BlazeMeter tool, like how to use BlazeMeter using JMeter. That will be as part of training. Neoload, it was not included in the training.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that is also similar like JMeter.
Correct. It is also similar like JMeter, but that is a licensed tool. Without license, we cannot run the test. That is the main thing in Neoload.
So this JMeter and load runner both are licensed as open source.
Load runner till 50 users, it was open source. If we use more than 50 users, definitely we need to buy a license. Coming to JMeter, it was completely free and open source tool.
Okay.
So I think meeting is going to ending. Please rejoin if you don't mind, if it will ends. Yeah, you can ask the question.
Hello.
Yeah, external tools like encoder, decoder. So what about this one? So this is
Yeah, this is also
open
as
source
part of training. No, this is not the tool. This is something like a